Hi and welcome back to the Keto Adaptation video. This is where we put it all together and I help you get through any of the things that your body and your brain are going to experience as you begin this lifestyle. And you will get through it. Know that it takes a little bit of time. So when you stop burning sugar, and you start to burn your fat, there are a few things that might happen. Firstly, your body will drop some water, so you might start to feel a bit less bloated. But with that, it'll take out some electrolytes and some minerals. So it's really important that you replenish that either with sugar-free electrolytes, or you can just do a bit of pink salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon in a glass of water, or you might like to just shot it or put it on your food. It will help massively because the pink salt has over 80 minerals and that will help you troubleshoot keto flu. The other thing that will help you troubleshoot that is water. Water is super important because it's going to flush out a lot of the toxins and we want to be flushing them, not restoring them. Spoke about pink salt. Lemon juice, which helps balance the acidity and alkalinity in your body. Apple cider vinegar, we spoke about at the last one. You want the mother apple cider vinegar. What that means is that it's not the super processed stuff. It's the good quality stuff with all of the active ingredients in it. Time. This takes time, especially if you have been used to burning sugar for fuel and you haven't accessed any of your fat stores. Like most of the population, we got told to follow a food pyramid, and the food pyramid actually is making us sicker, fatter, and more tired. The brain loves ketones. The brain works really well on ketones, so you're going to see some massive changes in cognition, memory, and your sleep should start to deepen as well while you're melting that belly fat off, which is gold, isn't it? You'll find you think more quickly. You have a constant energy. So these days I bounce out of bed because my body is really well fueled and I am dual fueled. So my body knows how to use both now. It just doesn't tend to store it as much as it used to. So you can fix insulin resistance. Over time, as you do some intermittent fasting and you push out your fasts or your eating windows, and I'm going to teach you how to do that if you want to come on this journey with me, you can make new machinery for your cells. And that is autophagy. Autophagy is where we clean up the old and defective cells and your body makes new cells. And that kicks in when you do some slightly extended fasting, although generally around about the 18 to 20-hour mark is where it starts to happen, and it'll deepen over a few days. You'll find your mood will start to get better and better, and you can actually knock over some of these things like depression, anxiety, bipolar. This is all caused from too much sugar. Cognition. Ketones are neuroprotective. What that means is that they're a signaling molecule. So the brain understands them. They transmit messages to the rest of the body on a cyclical loop. So intermittent fasting we've spoken about. If you choose to come along on this program, I have so many resources for you. I have tips sheets, I do coaching. You could also look at my book. Naturally enough, you knew it was coming. Well, you knew I was going to talk about it. In here, there are over 50 recipes that are keto and low carb. There are cheat sheets in the back. Find one for you. This is all based on science and based on stuff that works. So in here there are pantry clean out guides, recipes, shopping lists, what certain alcohol is worth, and there are so many hints and tips and how to actually get on this journey. So I've put the link in underneath this for you, and I've also put a little kit together for you. So if you are starting on this journey, you will find that extremely helpful. Please reach out to me if I can help you in any way, and I'm excited for you. This changed my life, and you can change yours.